holidays began to descend quickly. Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year's, everything seemed to be wrapped up all in one. So I started to get decorated because my kids were coming in from North Carolina. I found an old Hanukkah wreath and some Christmas bulbs that I actually found when I was dumpster diving, and I decided that I was going to upgrade that Hanukkah wreath, which I did with the Christmas bulbs, and I love the way that it turned out. So I got my house decorated, and then I started working on some cookies for our second annual Smith Island Cookie Exchange. We always get the absolute best cookies when we do this, and I certainly hope that it's a new tradition that's going to continue for a really long time. I just made a simple peanut butter cookie. This is a Pampered Chef recipe. I am no baker. I am an exceptional cook, but baking just really isn't my thing. So this recipe was just peanut butter, sugar, and egg. Flatten them out with a fork, baked them at 350 degrees, and they turned out absolutely delicious. Terry was definitely my taste tester. This time of year, he absolutely indulges in the desserts. Luckily, I made sure to have something fresh and a little bit healthier. Who else buys a box of citrus right at the holiday time? Terry and I managed to get our outside lights up and the inflatable decorations, but I'm telling you, I think our house and the decorations probably changed like 3 or 4 times because the wind storms this winter have been absolutely insane. So my bear holding the dreidel right there, poor guy, got completely wiped out. And actually, my menorah, which is not on this footage, he got wiped out before my bear here. Yeah, rip bear. And I ended up having to buy other stuff. But my cookies were done after that, and I went to the social. This year, they decided to make it a whole little holiday party and cookie social while the exchange was happening. And I, this time, decided I just didn't want to mask social anxiety. So I got my cookies and took them home, even though they had the best looking snacks there and that punch looked completely to die for. But I just didn't feel like masking at this point. There was too much going on. And, I'll do that depending on what my stress level is. So I got my cookies, put them in my box, and went home where Terry absolutely devoured. Okay, you got to see this box of cookies. Are you ready? Da-dum-da. Look at that. Devoured. And I told him, you don't have to buy stuff, but he kept buying tins of cookies. So there we go. And we were getting gifts too. So we just had cookies and cakes and everything all over the place, and it was delicious. And then around 10:30 p.m. on December 23rd, we got that phone call.
Well, the Smith Island and Crisfield communities are once again saying goodbye to a local waterman legend. Earlier this month, we told you about the death of Captain Larry Laird. And on Monday night, Larry's brother Terry died. Together, they started the ferry service to Smith Island back in the 1980s. WBOC's Kyle Oren spoke with the family today and learned as great of a captain as Terry was, he was an even better man.
Smith Island to Crisfield. Terry's son, Terry Jr., was always right there next to him.
He was very friendly. Everybody come up to him. He would always greet him to the island and all like that. And, yeah, he was a real nice guy.
But about a year ago, Terry Sr. got sick. As his health declined, so did his role on the Captain Jason. And 1 month ago, Terry Sr. handed the keys over to Terry Jr. for good.
It's been tough. But this is what he wanted me to do.
It's been an extremely difficult past month for the Lairds, who have now seen both Larry and Terry pass away. Both brothers will surely be remembered for their services out on the water, and in the case of Terry, His singing voice,
Another day is through.
which could be heard at Gordon's or at church, will always echo through the Eastern Shore.
The times of time ring out the news. Another day is through. Someone slipped and fell. Was that someone you may have had for added strength, your courage to renew. Do not be disheartened, for I bring home to you. It is no secret what God can do. What is done for others, He'll do for you. With arms wide open, He'll pardon you. It is no secret what God can do. There is no power can conquer you while God is on His throne. All